never seen a psychiatrist before. I'm not too sure what I should do. Should I just sit down right there?
Yeah, man. You can sit down. It's cool.
Aren't you gonna sit down too?
Yeah, man, sure. Sounds good to me. This is nice.
Isn't that your chair right there?
Yeah, I can sit there. That's fine. This is nice too.
So, is this the part where I just tell you all my problems?
Why?
Well, that's why I'm here, for you to listen to my problems.
Gosh, okay, fine.
Lately, I've just been feeling so angry. I just want to punch holes in the wall.
Okay, that sounds super crazy. But if you punch a hole in one of these walls, you're gonna have to pay for it.
I think a lot of my issues stem from my wife. She just never wants to do anything that I want to do. She doesn't care about the things that I care about.
Well, you seem like a boring guy. What do you like to do?
I mean, I love bird watching, building birdhouses, feeding birds.
I can see why your wife doesn't want to do any of that stuff, because it sounds horrible.
Okay, didn't expect that. I mean, but it's not just that. I feel like she never, ever listens to me.
What? Oh, sorry. I was just texting my friend. I told him about the bird stuff that you do. He thinks it's really boring too. Oh, but he wants to know, did you feed ducks or just regular pigeons?
Ducks.
Yeah, that's boring. If you were to feed pigeons, that would have been pretty cool. Anyways, Big Bird, what else did you got to say?
You know, I really feel like you're not helping me with my problems. You're not hearing me.
Why would I want to help you?
I came here specifically to talk to you about my problems.
I can see why your wife hates you. I would have left you long ago. I hate you too, man. You're so boring always talking about birds. Oh, look, my name is Mr. Big Bird. And look, here's a duck. Wah, wah, wah. Here's some bread for you. Wah, wah, wah. That's boring. Do you know what I'm saying? You just see the birds. Caw, caw. Oh, look at the bird. Oh, I'm watching it from far away. Look at it. It's a little bird. I've never seen one before. They're all the same birds, man. They look the same. You can go to the park. I see pigeons and ducks and all these stuff. And you bird watching? Are you kidding me? Or do you want to build a birdhouse? Oh, like they don't even build their own houses? Do you think birds are stupid? They can't build a house? Don't you see them building nests all the time, man? Dude, you're wasting my time. You're wasting your wife's time. You're wasting all the birds in the world's time. I bet your favorite show is Sesame Street, huh? Do you like watching Big Bird on there? Oh, bird watching. That is stupid, okay?
You know what? You're not even helping me.
You're not even helping yourself.
You're right.
I know.
I need to stop watching birds and start watching over my family. I need to stop building birdhouses and start building my marriage. I need to stop feeding ducks and start feeding my wife and kids.
You probably should have already been doing that.
Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I gotta go.
That guy has some serious problems. He should probably see a psychiatrist.
Hey, I'm John, the psychiatrist. Have you seen my patient? He was supposed to be here about 10 minutes ago.
No, haven't seen nothing. I just been bird watching.
That sounds really boring.
I know.
Ever notice that, well, Zeron has a parrot? I mean, I know he has a parrot because, well, he acts just like one. And, well, he thinks that's cute. That's why he's doing that. He's jealous of his bird. He is. He knows the bird's gonna be getting a lot of attention from me. That's why he's trying to steal the bird's, the parrot's character. It's kind of mean of you, Zeron. Because I don't just watch birds. I know they can actually read your mind. And if you really have no one assaulting you, I should say, not assaulting me, actually. If I do the calming of the sea in the hearts of all the surrounds, I could actually, I have, but is it because I didn't record? Is that why? Really? So what? It goes off after so and so much. I don't bird watch. I actually communicate with animals. Like this morning, the doggy. You know, I have to give them their time and space, of my time and space. I actually do. Animal approaches me, I have to spend time with it. Because they're in the outdoors world, and I'm